Is it time to buy or sell CADL Therapeutics stock? In this video, we're diving deep into CADL Therapeutics. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of August, 2025, our system has identified CADL Therapeutics as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.57. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has incurred a loss of 15.48%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.11% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 13.62% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 13.62% to 64.85%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -6.92%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -26.42% and 114.05% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.76 and $10.93. Our latest daily update for CADL Therapeutics highlights a significant movement in the company's stock price. On Wednesday, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 14.54% between its high and low. The stock price of CADL Therapeutics Inc. decreased by 12.88% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, dropping from $5.86 to $5.11. During this trading session, the stock varied by 14.54%, with a low of $4.86 and a high of $5.57. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 5 instances, resulting in an overall decrease of 8.18% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day, although it occurred alongside falling prices. This development may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 2 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $12.24 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $14.60 and its lowest price of $3.79. Currently, the price stands at 65.03%, or $9.50, below the 52-week high, and 65.46%, or $9.68, below the all-time high, which occurred on September 8, 2021, when the price peaked at $14.78. CADL Therapeutics is accumulating significant catalysts. This week, the company welcomed immunotherapy pioneer Carl H. June to its research advisory board, enhancing the credibility of its viral immunotherapy programs. This development follows a successful Phase 3 trial in early prostate cancer, the designation of regenerative medicine advanced therapy, and management's plan to seek United States approval for its leading candidate, CAN-2409, in late 2026, along with European Medicines Agency orphan status for pancreatic cancer. Recent second quarter results indicated a narrower loss and financing that supports launch readiness. Additionally, inclusion in several Russell indexes boosts passive investor demand, while management intensifies outreach to investors. In the short term, we anticipate positive sentiment and trading spikes as the market adjusts to higher approval odds, inflows from index rebalancing, and enhanced scientific validation, although volatility will persist around data and regulatory timelines. Over the long term, the approval and commercialization of CAN-2409 could significantly reevaluate the stock, propelled by regenerative medicine advanced therapy and orphan incentives, potential exclusivity, and partnership interest. Conversely, clinical setbacks, challenges in commercialization execution, and reimbursement risks may keep the upside conditional and binary. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned CADL a buy rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of December 2022, it was reported that Credit Suisse assigned CADL an outperform rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CADL Therapeutics stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for CADL Therapeutics. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term outlook. The stock of CADL Therapeutics Inc. currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast. Additionally, a general sell signal is present due to the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. If there is a correction upward, resistance can be expected at the levels of $5.74 and $6.22. A breakout above either of these resistance levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, July 25, 2025, with the stock thus far declining by 27.28%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased during yesterday's price drop, which may serve as an early warning sign, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 28 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 13 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal from 24 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a sell signal from just 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 29 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CADL Therapeutics. CADL Therapeutics Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $4.99, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.707 between its high and low, representing a change of 14.54%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.54%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CADL Therapeutics, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors that are beyond their control. However, a consistent pattern of negative PE ratios may be a warning sign of inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 13th of November, 2025. Analysts expect a consensus estimate of a loss of 16 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CADL Therapeutics. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CADL Therapeutics is at $6.04. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CADL Therapeutics encounters its first support level at $4.99. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CADL Therapeutics from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Nichols William Garrett, who bought and sold 4,373 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 34.395. In total, insiders acquired 3,770,316 shares and disposed of 2,058,080 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is CADL Therapeutics stock a good buy? Currently, CADL Therapeutics Inc. stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that CADL Therapeutics Inc. will likely experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 4th of September, we expect CADL Therapeutics to open higher by approximately 7.36 cents, starting at a price of $5.18. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.